What's up guys? So, Huawei is all set to launch a new smartphone in its P series, called the Huawei P50. The handset will release in late July, and we have seen a series of leaks and rumors about the upcoming phones. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, the leak and rumors claims that the series will feature 3 devices, and recently, the company has teased the phone itself. Even you can say they released a whole camera teaser of the phone. And today, the first live image of the upcoming Huawei P50 Pro has surfaced on the web, revealing the design of the handset in its full glory, ahead of the launch. So, this is the image. The hands-on leaked image of the Huawei P50 Pro shows a sparkling pink color rear panel that basically consists of dual circle-shaped camera modules, and the camera setup is placed at the top left corner of the back panel. Anyway, if you look further, the upper camera circle consists of 3 camera sensors, and the bottom one offers a periscope lens, along with an LED flash. And the most interesting thing is the partnership between Huawei and Leica will continue, because it clearly shows the Leica branding. Anyway, going with the previous reports, it has been claimed that the Huawei P50 series is not going to launch with the 5G connectivity, and Qualcomm is said to be supplying Huawei only LTE Snapdragon 888 chip, and leaks also suggest that the Huawei P50 and the P50 Pro 5G versions might be launched with the Kirin 9000 chip, and run on Harmony operating system 2.0. Also, Huawei CEO said that the Huawei P50 series has taken functions such as taking pictures to a whole new level, and no matter how difficult it is, Huawei's determination to provide global consumers with a better user experience and better products will not going to be changed. We hope to prosper the Harmony operating system with more partners and developers, and provide global consumers with a better experience, better products and better services. So, what do you think? Can Huawei be able to rise again in the international market? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. Furthermore, you know that Nokia made one of the great smartphones in the past. Even you can see some of the great Android phones. But still, I don't think that Nokia successfully wins the market with Android. I don't know why, but now there are rumors that its partnership with Android might be over, and Nokia is now looking forward for another partner. And you know what? A Chinese outlet called IT Home says that Nokia might join Huawei's own operating system HarmonyOs for its smartphones inside China. So, still I would say, take this information with a pinch of salt, because there is a high chance that it might be wrong, but still it can be happened, because you know that Nokia have Google services, so why they will need an operating system which doesn't have Google support? Well, the answer is simple. Nokia might choose Huawei's operating system for the China only, and the story is different in China, where Google apps are already blocked, so no Google services are allowed in China, and HarmonyOS on smartphones shares the same foundation with Android. So, being a part of that ecosystem in Chinese market, at least to me, makes sense. So that's why Nokia allegedly only plans to use HarmonyOS for China-bound models. Anyway, according to today's report, the company intends to release the Nokia X60 and the X60 Pro in China later this year, and they will ship with Huawei's own operating system. Also, the rumor mentioned that HarmonyOS on the upcoming Nokia X60 Pro flagship included information like 200 megapixel rear camera, 6000 mAh of battery, a 144 Hz display that should be packed into the device. So again, I would like to say that this video is only for the latest rumors that are going around and nothing is confirmed yet. I'm not going to spread fake reports through this channel. So right now, please take this information with a pinch of salt, because some reports are also suggesting that this rumor is fake. Huawei denies it. So, let's wait and watch what will actually happen, because Nokia and Huawei joining together would be a disaster for mobile world. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say it, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pack it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm up?